First of all, sharpen up the knife. Cut a bit of garlic. As you do, only 2 cloves should be enough. Okay, a bit of garlic. And then slice it up a bit more. We're just going to make some nice chicken wings, so we're just going to marinate them. I got 2 bags. Just put some garlic in there for the flavour, which is quite nice. And then we put some, maybe a cube of, you know, chicken stock, like an XO or so, for flavouring, enhance. And then we put white pepper, like that. We put 5 spice, quite nice. And put smoked paprika, yeah. Get the colour. It depends. Tons of it, otherwise get the flavour out. Yeah, this coming. A bit more. Making like a, you know, nice chicken wings with first chili powdering. Be quite nice. A little bit. Get some cake use, which is quite good brand, and just put some in here. When you marinate it, leave it in the fridge for like a good half an hour, and then just corn flour or celebrating flour would be fine, which I have here. You can add some soy sauce or dark soy sauce, which is quite good as well. Just add a little bit in, which is nice. So it's got lots of flavour in there. See?